I don't know if you can hear the groany noises coming from my left. I'm in dialysis, and there's a woman next to me with sleep apnea. She makes the most inhuman noises the entire time I'm here. Sounds like she's dying. I'm glad that she can sleep, because with all that going on, no one else can. She could bring a CPAP machine in and sort of, set it up and make herself more comfortable and definitely more quiet. But I guess she chooses not to do that. I need a cone of silence just put over top of me so I can sit in quiet contemplation and maybe get some rest myself. Someone needs to invent that.